Hello friends, my name is Kishan. In this tutorial I am going to talk about how to check whether you have already installed JDK on your Windows machine or not. Second thing I am going to discuss about how to set path and Java home in your Windows machine, and finally we will discuss about the JDK. So let's go through the slides. Now first thing, how to check JDK version that is installed on your computer. So to check what JDK version is installed on your machine, you will have to perform couple of steps. First of all, you need to open command prompt in your Windows OS and you need to type java space hyphen version and finally press the enter. Then you'll get this kind of message. Guys, one thing I would like to tell you, if you have installed JDK on your machine and you have set it class path in your environment variable, then you'll get this kind of message saying that JDK 1.8 is installed on the computer. Even though if you have installed JDK on your computer and you did not set Java class path in your environment variable, then you'll get an error message. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and check whether let's go ahead and check what versions of JDK is installed on my machine. So I am using Windows 8, so press Windows R key. Now here you will have to type cmd. So here is the DOS command prompt. Here you need to type java space version and press enter, saying that Java is not recognized as internal or external command. So I'm getting an error message saying that Java is not recognized by an internal or external commands. What is the reason of this error message? There may be the two reasons for this. One reason, you haven't installed JDK on your machine. Second reason, that you have installed JDK on your machine but you did not set Java class path in your environment variable. So I have already installed JDK on my machine but I did not set Java path in my environment variable. So let's go ahead and set Java path in Windows operating system. So here you need to click on right click on your my computer, go to the properties. Now click on the advanced system setting. Now you'll get this pop-up. Click on the advanced tab. Now click on the environment variables. Now here you have a user variables section. Here click on the new button. Here you will have to give path as the variable name and variable value would be your JDK leave locations. So I have installed JDK on my machine. Go to the C drive program files. Here is the Java folder. I have installed two versions of JDK, 1.7 as well as 1.8. So I would like to set path for JDK 1.8. So go to the JDK 1.8 bin, copy this location, bin location of JDK 1.8, and in variable value just paste this location. Now variable name you have a path and variable value you have a bin location of your JDK. Guys, one thing I would like to tell you, sometimes you need to set path for various technology or various tools. So of course here you can set more than one paths, and every path should be separated with the semicolon, like semicolon second path, then again you need to put semicolon and third path, something like that. But here I have only path for the JDK, so no need to put semicolon end of this variable value. Click on the now OK, and finally OK. Now close this command prompt. Now open command prompts once again and type here java space hyphen version. Now Java saying that JDK 1.8 is installed on my machine. Again, you can check some tools like Java C. So of course Java C is a tool, Java compiler, which is recognized by the DOS now. Okay, so this was the steps to set path in our Windows operating system. If JDK is not installed on your machine, then you can refer below link to download the latest JDK version for Windows. So this is the location where JDKs are available for the different flavors. So guys, JDK is basically platform dependent, so that's why Oracle has provided different flavors of JDK for different operating system. Like you have a Linux has a several versions, so for different versions there are different JDK. You have a Mac OS as well, so for Mac OS also you have a JDK, and different version of Solaris operating system we have a different JDK. Finally there are two JDKs for Windows operating system. So there is a Windows x86 and Windows x64. So if your Windows operating system is 32 bits longer, then you need to download this JDK, which supports for Windows x86. If your Windows operating system is 64 bits, then of course you can download the last JDK, bottom one. So this supports for the operating system which is having 64 bits length. Okay, so before downloading any JDK, of course you need to accept a license agreement, and after that you can download JDK. Just you will have to click on this hyperlink and JDK will start downloading. So I'm going to cancel, as I have already downloaded JDK and I have already installed on this machine. So this way you can download JDK from Oracle website.